The easiest way to design your flyer is to go to canva.com and over here create a free account and you will see that you can make lots of other designs for free and very easy with using templates. Now let's go click over here and choose flyer. And over here you can see lots and lots of templates that you can choose from. On the left side click free, price to be free. If you see this paid, this means that it has paid elements, so you can use this template but remove these elements and choose the free ones. Let's say I want to create this Black Friday sale, click it. To see which element is paid over here, so just click over here download and you can see one premium image and we can click this remove. Okay, it's the bottom background. Okay, now we change over here, go to elements and we can add our own shape. And change the color over here. And we have our button over here. We have our call to action without using the premium image. Now you can change the font, for example. This one you can change. If it's too big, just stretch it a bit and click over here position center. Can change also over here. We can change the font over here also. This we can have shop now. And to download, we can print flyers with Canva, but it will cost you. So you want to go to download. Make sure that you download in a PDF format to preserve the highest possible quality.